happy that we haven't been stopped out of this trade and it's actually working in our favor. So I know I've been making a lot of these videos, but I'm so excited because Perp, if you look at it now, is at $1.52. And we have been trading. I initially bought in at $1.27. So whatever that calculation is, 15-20% up so far on this trade. And the reason I'm not selling is because, well, I'm not crazy. I keep moving my stop up. In fact, I should move my stop up from 130 where it is right now. But I want to show you this. This move is insane that we've been seeing. We saw a little drawdown right here, but I want to show you. We're looking at the 5-minute on the 4-hour chart. These red candles just appeared while I started rolling the camera, but I'm not worried because look at this, guys. And I'm using a trading system that, I mean, I don't know, not really a system. I'm a new trader, right? I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm making this video to share along, with the trade to show you what my thought process is. And also for myself to like go back in time to see what was I thinking during this crypto trade, because I think that I'm onto something here. So I use what is called, EMA lines, so the exponential moving average. And basically this will just like give you a retroactive view at where the, price movement is going. So we've got two things called the EMA 9 and the EMA 20. So the EMA 9 I've colored green. The EMA 20 I've covered red. Now you can go and figure out what this means yourself, but essentially I've color coded them. So if green is above red, then that means that the stock's going up. And if red is above green, that means the stock is going down. It works for stocks. I'm trying it with crypto. I've never really traded crypto before, other than that crazy Shiba Inu trade, and also trading Dogecoin back in 2020. But anyway, guys, this is the trade, and this is why I'm so convinced that we're going to continue spiking up because volume is only ramping up. And take a look at this. We have continued to test that 20 EMA line. We've continued to test the red line, right? Bounce down, bounce back up, bounce off that red line, once again, bounce off that red line. So it's done it 3 times already, which seems like a pretty good sign to me that, hey, there are some, aggressive sellers, but there are always going to be aggressive buyers picking up that price action at the moving average line. Now, if this candle, for instance, breaks all the way below this red line and actually doesn't, I want to see it healthily break, because we did see a break below this red line. However, I want to see an extensive break. So until that happens, I'm not entirely convinced that I should get out of this trade. And anyway, who cares about capitalizing on an extra 5 cents, right? If it turns out that it breaks right now, for instance, and I have to sell at $1.46, well, hey, I still made 19 cents profit, in this trade. So I'm very happy about where we are standing. And I just wanted to make this video to explain to you what am I seeing in this trade right now. I want to zoom out. Let's go to the 1 day, the 5 day, okay, over the week, the 1 month, and the 3 month. And then finally, we'll go back to COVID. In the pandemic, this stock was trading at $24 at one point. Now, this is crazy to say, oh, it's going to go back to $24. This was 2 years ago. I'm not hoping for that, okay? But right now, the price action seems super good. Oh, wow. And look at that. On the 1 minute, we're looking at the 1 minute now. It did touch that EMA again, but I don't usually test on the 1 minute because it's just too volatile. And these moving averages tend to not work as well on the 1 minute. So I use the 5-minute time frame to take a look at this. All right, everyone, that's my trade right now. And I'm so excited. I lost about $80 on Perp last week, and I'm about to reclaim that $80. Again, this is my account. These are my assets. I've got $840 that I'm trading with. I have about $500 in this trade right now. And it's going well. So this gives hope. Even with a small account, go out, make some money, drive Uber Eats if you have to, put some money in Coinbase and start trading. So everyone, I want to see you get into it.